Welcome back. In our last video, we talked about what a digital legacy is and why it matters. Today, we're taking the next step, getting your digital accounts organized. That might sound like a big job, but don't worry. I've got 3 quick steps to walk you through to get you started. Step number 1, make a list of your accounts. Start by writing down or typing out a list of your most important digital accounts. This might include your email accounts, banking or bill pay websites, streaming services like Netflix or Spotify, shopping sites like Amazon, any cloud storage you use like Google Drive or iCloud, and don't forget social media like Facebook or Instagram. Keep in mind that you don't need to list every site you've ever visited, just the ones that matter most to you or your family. Step number 2, add your login details, but do it securely. Next, you're going to record your usernames and passwords. You can do this in a secure notebook or, better yet, use a password manager, a special tool designed to store your login information safely. Some great options are 1Password, LastPass, and Bitwarden. These services encrypt your data and only require you to remember one master password. Here's a bonus tip. We've included step-by-step written guides and tutorial videos on how to use each of these password managers on the video page of our TechWise website, so you don't have to figure it out on your own. Step number 3, review and clean up. As you go through your accounts, take this chance to do a little digital housekeeping. Close or delete accounts you no longer use. Update any outdated passwords. Make a note of which accounts hold important information or sentimental value like photo storage or family emails. In closing, taking the time to organize your digital accounts makes things so much easier, not just for you, but for your loved ones too. In the next video, we'll talk about how to choose someone you trust to manage your digital legacy when the time comes. And remember, for more help, head to the TechWise website where we've got tutorials, links, and step-by-step guides waiting for you. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope now you are more TechWise.